Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Eclipse or the first Hello World program in Java on Eclipse. Okay, so if you have watched our recent videos and if you have any type of doubt over there, then please comment it out and ask us whatever the suggestion you want to give to us and what are the things that we need to change in our videos. Please put it out, put some comment over there, and do subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's start this video. We need to see there are a lot of Eclipse editor in the market. Okay, sorry, Java editors in the market. So we can use anyone, but if we think about industry or if we are learning for the industry, right? So Eclipse and the NetBeans are the mostly one that is required to use Java in industry. So we will use Eclipse for this Eclipse download. There is a website eclipse.org. From there you can download this Eclipse. Okay. From here you can download this Eclipse to 2022-09. This is updated IDE package. Okay. And I have already started my Eclipse. So after downloading, there will be a .exe file that you need to install. Okay, and see, here there are two ways to create. See, there are no projects in your workspace. Then you can create the Java project from here, and then file, and then new, and then Java project. Okay, let's suppose that we will give the name of or new. Okay, new is our Java project name. Finish. Okay, then source learn. Uh, One minute, it is already showing here. Delete. One minute, I will create again one package from very basic, from very scratch. Let's say there is a name November. Now is our package name. Sorry, so Java project name. Okay, then here we need to create one package. We will let you know what is the package, what is class file, how to create all the things. Okay, let's suppose that learn is our package name, and in the package we need to create our class file or Java file. Okay, and remember always our class file name start from capital letter. We will let you know in upcoming videos. Just see what how to run a very basic program. See, in the first line it is clearly mentions package. The package is learn and the class file name is hello. Okay, now see, in the whole Java program, whatever the thing is written in this main block, that will run. Okay, so if we see whatever we put here, hello world. Okay, system.out.println, it will is, if you know C or C++, there is printf, something like that. The same thing is here, println. Okay, the work is little bit different. We will let you know in upcoming videos. In this video, just see that how to run a very basic program. Now run hello.java. Okay, we have chosen this hello.java. Okay, see, our outcome is here. The console, on the console we have seen our output. If we copy this system.out.println and run again, or run again, we will see four times hello world. Okay, again four times hello world. If we change something, hello dunya, hello tech, that is, do subscribe, give suggestion. Okay, sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Okay, give suggestion, do subscribe, hello tech natives, hello dunya. So whatever we write in this between these commas, it will show in the console. So this is how you can run the Java program in Eclipse. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt in this video, please do comment it out, And in the last videos, if you have any, if you stuck somewhere, then please let us know. And thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our YouTube channel. I hope you liked our content. Thank you so much. Bye bye.